In the far north of Bavaria, right at the foot of the 𝗵𝗶𝗴𝗵𝗵𝗁𝗁, almost 270,000 square meters of production and workspace are nestled on the banks of the White Main River. Welcome to Frenzelit. As a team, we are constantly working on improving our products and launching technological innovations. In a familial atmosphere, this gives growth to technological leadership, productive excellence, and brand quality made in Germany. Our laboratories develop pioneering products from the hicoTEC product line directly on site. Recurring tests and trials in our research and development teams allow us to guarantee the quality of existing products. We always process customer requests as a team to ensure you receive the best possible consultation experience. Various specialists from the development, production and sales departments work together right from the start to meet the customer's needs in a solution-based manner. In this way, new product ideas are realized on a regular basis and customized assemblies can be produced. The unique hicoTEC heating foil consists of individual fiber components that are processed into fleece using the patented wet fleece process. Under high pressure and temperature, the fleece fuses with integrated copper contact strips to form a heating foil. In the subsequent finishing process, our hicoTEC heating foil is laminated and perforated, and is therefore perfectly adapted to the requirements of housing construction. Our manufacturing process makes it possible to produce a homogeneous, non-woven fleece from individual thermoplastic fiber materials. This allows for even heat distribution, while keeping the material thickness as low as possible. Each of our products undergoes a final quality check by our employees. Heating foils are an economical alternative to other heating solutions, are quick and easy to install, and offer the possibility of renovating individual rooms without having to replace the heating system of the entire house. Generate pleasant and affordable radiant heat in your rooms with our hicoTEC products, without any visible radiators. Your living comfort is just one touch away. hicoTEC.